creating newts in space with paint. Let's dip our fingers in ink or paint and have fun too. You will need paper, an ink pad or some paint, a marker pen, and your fingers. The first step is to get messy. Dip your finger in your ink pad or paint. Now press your finger onto your blank paper. Let the ink or paint dry. Once it's dry, it's time to get out your marker pen and draw some features to bring your print to life. Once you've got the hang of it, you can get creative like Darwin and Newts. Or Henny, Kia, Burpee, Wapiti and Opo. We would love to see your creations. Miharo! Awesome! Head to darwinandnewts.com